Hello, my name is Ali Hanyololu. Thank you for joining me for this short presentation on how Adobe EchoSign can help you change the game for your company and your business partners. So let's get started. Now, does the following scenario sound familiar? It's nearing the end of the quarter, and the team is chasing down contracts at every stage in the process to get them signed and in the system. In an effort to support business partners and ensure the quarter is closed out fully, everyone is working overtime, but manual processes just don't move fast enough. It just takes too much time to find approvers and sort through the mounds of paperwork. That final push to getting signed documents back can be really nerve-wracking. But why is that? It's because the signing process is typically cumbersome and slow, and there is no visibility into the status of contracts that are out for signature. How many times have you been asked, has the approver even opened and read the contract? Are they in the process of signing it? Will they scan and fax it back, or can they just send it back by email? The team continually runs into these process stoplights that get in the way of the simple act of getting a signature on a document, not to mention the costs of doing business this way. According to research by Adobe, large organizations lose a paper document every 12 seconds, and a lost document typically costs organizations between $350 and $700 each. What if there were a way to speed up the contracting process and move business into the fast lane? What if we could accelerate the procurement process and get agreements signed in just a few hours or even minutes, not days or weeks? What if we could save time and money currently being spent on faxing, printing, and overnighting documents? What if we could provide visibility into the status of documents and do all that seamlessly from within contract management or other business systems? And since approximately 64% of the workforce are mobile and want to work with documents on the go, an ideal solution would make it simple for vendors and suppliers to sign and return documents on virtually any device, no matter where they are. Getting procurement processes completed faster with these signatures can help get your business into the fast lane. Now, let's look at some of the considerations in choosing an e-signature solution. First, the system should be secure and compliant with regulations that specifically affect your business. Second, it should be easy to deploy and integrate with your existing systems and intuitive so that it's easy to get staff up and running without a lot of training. Third, the solution provider should have a strong track record of customers with proven results. And finally, the solution should come from a trusted provider that will be around to grow with your business. Now, let's take a look at how Adobe EchoSign uniquely meets these criteria. Adobe EchoSign is a simple, secure, and compliant e-signature solution that enables your team to get documents signed faster with very little training. It's easy to deploy and integrate with your existing CMS and other contracting applications, providing procurement managers visibility into the status of contracts every step of the way. EchoSign customers have proven results. They're our best advocates, and so we'll look at some actual results for our customers have seen in a few minutes. Finally, Adobe, the inventor of PDF technology, the global standard for secure, reliable documents, is a trusted company that's been in business for over 30 years. When choosing an e-signature solution, security, reliability, and compliance are absolutely paramount. Adobe EchoSign is the only e-signature solution on the market that has the expertise of one of the world's largest SaaS companies behind it, with our decades-long history in secure digital documents with Adobe PDF and Acrobat software. Adobe uses the same technologies and security engineering processes relied on by financial institutions and governments around the world. Security is considered at every level, from the application code and networks to the physical facilities themselves. And we are completely transparent about our reliability. You can easily bring e-signatures into existing systems. including Oracle, NetSuite, SAP, and Ariba's contract management module using EchoSign's plug-and-play API. Our goal is to enable you to accelerate the signing process and increase productivity for your team. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at what some of our customers have to say. By using Adobe EchoSign to eliminate delays created from mailing paperwork, companies like LeaseDrive are now enabled to get products and services into the hands of their customers faster, improving satisfaction. Organizations like TUI have not only reduced the timeline for payment from weeks to minutes, but also improved the quality and security of supplier data and documents. I would also like to point out that Adobe's global procurement team have also integrated EchoSign into their workflows and systems, improving the vendor-contractor completion rate by 300%. Okay, that's great, but a final question you may have is, how do I get my legal department to sign off on an e-signature solution? The legality of electronic signatures is a question we're often asked. The answer is yes, they are indeed legal and enforceable in 27 countries, including Australia, Canada, the United Kingdom, and the United States. In fact, electronic signatures have been legal in the US for over a decade. Adobe employs legal teams on 6 continents to stay current on the policies and legality of e-signatures around the world, and we warrant that EchoSign is fully compliant with the US eSign Act of 2000. That means that in the unlikely event one of your signatures is challenged in court, Adobe will stand beside you. And there are other reasons why Adobe is the only vendor you should trust for your e-signature solution. When you choose Adobe, you gain peace of mind, continued innovation, and support from an industry-leading global company that has over 25 years of experience in secure digital documents. Adobe EchoSign is the only e-signature solution on the market that has the expertise of one of the world's largest SaaS companies behind it. And we are transparent about our reliability, providing 100% transparent uptime data. And Adobe is used by Fortune 1000 companies and governments worldwide. Thanks again for your time today, and please do check out all the resources and information on Adobe's website to learn more about how EchoSign is the solution you can trust to get contracts signed and keep your business moving.